Ball number 1 of the 50th over. Nandan Yadav hits it straight down the ground and it's gone flat. Starts with a 4. Poor ball from Nandan Yadav and Khuzaima bin Tanveer has hammered that for 4.
How hard can you hit a cricket ball? And Khuzaima says that's how hard you can hit a cricket ball, straight down the ground, and no chance for any fielder if there was one. Khuzaima is just playing an innings of his lifetime fairly early on in his UAE career, already on to 49 with 5 huge hits. He's brought the life back to the UAE squad and must feel that he needs to cross the line now.
Yes, setbacks are opportunities for comebacks. And that is what Khuzaima has shown here today. Was struggling in the first innings, but what a way to turn things around for UAE with the bat. 49 of 25 deliveries. Now, he might get to his 50, but what is more important for him and for the UAE side is to get those 15 runs. 11 now needed of 5 deliveries. Nandan back on his mark and he's up against Khuzaima bin Tanveer. Short ball that's in the air. This could be a chance. Is it? Will be taken. And the game changes. It's tied as Khuzaima is out on 49 and Nandan Yadav has brought Nepal back in the game. What a moment this is in this game. Nandan Yadav sends Khuzaima bin Tanveer.
The cardiac kids, and rightly so. Again, the game shifts, and all those things that you would wish for whenever you see Nepal playing UAE at this venue. See a very well directed slower bouncer. Khuzaima almost knew it was coming his way. Didn't quite middle it, and safe pair of hands. Dipender Singh Ari wouldn't drop that. Khuzaima heads back to, after playing a magnificent innings, 5 maximums, 26 deliveries for his 49. He's played a blinder here for the UAE. And now, as things stand, with just 4 deliveries to go and 11 runs to get, things hanging in a balance.
Well, 11 needed of 4. There's another meeting going on. Not everything is over. They still need 11 runs UAE, but they've lost Khuzaima bin Tanveer and in comes Junaid Siddiqui. Now he has the record of hitting the longest 6 in a World Cup in 2022. 105 meters if I'm not wrong. We don't need big 6s. UAE doesn't need big 6s. They just need a boundary. And Junaid Siddiqui, he does pride himself in being a batter or in being able to hit 6s. Can he hit one here today? If he does, it will be the most important one of his career. Swing and a miss. Wants the run. Junaid Siddiqui will be run out. Akshdeep Nath wanted to come on strike and Junaid Siddiqui had to sacrifice his wicket. Another wicket falls, but more importantly, it's a dot ball.
Again, the pendulum swings as it has done throughout the course of this match. And it had to come down to the last over, shouldn't it? See there, slow delivery executed brilliantly and good thinking there by Binod, just passing on that ball to Nandan and he executes a very simple run out. But the main important thing here for UAE is that Akshdeep Nath is on strike and he does have 3 deliveries to win it for the UAE. He's got 11 runs. Junaid Siddiqui just heads back without troubling the scorers.
Well, yes. 2 wickets, consecutive wickets. 244. Still 11 needed of 3 balls. So this next ball is going to be very crucial. They need a boundary on this one to keep their hopes alive. And all eyes will be on Akshdeep Nath. Akshdeep on strike. Nandan Yadav has bowled really well. Here we go again. Short ball up and over, extra cover. This is smart batting from Akshdeep Nath. Knew where he was going to bowl it, and he's managed to play that up and over for 4 runs.
He's played the field absolutely brilliantly here, Akshdeep. Just gave some room, knew the mid-off fielder was up inside the circle, and look at that shot. Just going up and over. Once you cross that 30-yard circle, it always goes to the boundary. A much-needed boundary here for the UAE. They require 7 in 2 deliveries now. It's going down to the wire, Shoaib.
Yeah, last two balls, 7 runs needed. They need a dot ball here. Akshdeep Nath on strike. Rohit Podel ensuring every fielder is exactly where he wants them to be. Well, this is a pressure cooker situation. We are feeling the pressure here in the com box. I can't imagine what's going on in Nandan Yadav's mind at the moment. 2 balls, 7 runs. Short ball asking for a wide. It's a dot ball, and what an important dot ball this is. Nandan Yadav went for the short delivery, and it's gone over Akshdeep Nath. Let's look at that again. Yeah, very close to the helmet. Wanted a wide. Umpire says not at all.
Oh, that was close. A close call by the umpire. High five, so Nepal, but UAE, they would feel hard done by. But as the things stand, it's 7 runs to get for UAE. Now only 6 can turn the tide here. What will it be? Wait and see.
Yeah, 6, and the scores will be tied. Last ball. And there it is. Nepal have held their own under pressure. Nandan Yadav has bowled one of the most important overs of his young career. Proves to be the hero for Nepal and ensures that they get those 2 points. Nepal won the game by 6 runs. And yet another classic game of one-day cricket between UAE and Nepal. Loud roar, huge cheer, and a sigh of relief for the Nepal players as they win this game and win it by 6 runs.
What a match. What a match this is. All good for Nepal as they turn out in the right side of things. For the UAE, they must have felt during that last over that they had the game in their pocket. The last delivery needed to be a 6 for things to be tied up. As for Nandan, he's redeemed himself. It's a bit expensive, no doubt about it, but then he's bowled a very important over under pressure. Nepal prevail. They take the much needed 2 points.